Hello, everybody. So this is the next devlog I have for closing Millennium. Um, what's been happening in this game? A lot. Like I've been working on getting still in my test level hell. And I will stay here until the systems are fully built out. That I need to like use for kind of like creating the game. But the core system I've been working on for the last week is the item system, items and item interaction. And the core thing, if my computer will give me the pleasure, the core thing I've been working on is I have like a zoom in, zoom out. I did that. I have like I can hover and pick up like and drop, like all that works. I have you'll notice that there's like a hover effect on it and it flexibly moves between items. That's working now. That took me a long time to figure out and fix because there's problems. And you can see that I can like additionally drop items, and you can also see that like issues in uh collision where it's like you can like just sort of run into an actor here, like this joystick, and then like basically drop it on top of your capsule collider and have that joystick just fly off into the distance. That's no longer happening. Why is that not happening? Because collision is now disabled on items you spawn. But it's like, and you can also see that there's like flexible, actor sort of scanning for like how big is an actor, like the the actor size it is as it's holstered at the bottom of the screen is very small versus like this size of actor, which is really big. And then the other thing I got going is the scanning or inspecting, and so you can kind of like see an item and then move it around and stuff. That's cool. That's for simple items, and these actors. This is what I would call a complex item. It's a full other like class with its own code. And I'm gonna use this for like complex items where there's something to actually click on or do with the item. And so it's like the idea is that you can like have it here and then be able to like rotate it, click on it, zoom in, zoom out, and do stuff with it. It doesn't really work yet for like the complex items, but for the simple items, you can actually like zoom in and kind of like rotate the object, just kind of like look around the model. That's what I got so far. Um, the biggest challenges with this stuff is just being able to like get all is like when it's 11:30 at night, and like that is kind of like the death hour where you can begin to imagine where you start running over the same pieces of code like again and again and again, the same logic, and you're like, and what made sense at like 6 p.m. stops making sense at 11 p.m. and you're just like feeling bleary eyed, you feel slow and stupid for like not getting it, like and doing things that should make sense. And then you wake up and then you're like, why did this not make sense to me? This was simple. It's just like I've had a lot of those over the last week. But anyway, as I think you can tell, we're making progress. Things are looking kind of better, and I hope to be able to showcase like more complex item, like zoom in, zoom out. Oh, I guess the zoom in, zoom out already works. Well, that's cool. I didn't know that. Like more like the complex item rotation works, and then the complex item like button scanning works. Like I would like that to work too, and we'll see if that works next week. Anyway, that'll be doing it for me. um Thanks for watching. Talk to you later.